Shiba inu holders, how are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, guys. Now in this video, I'm talking about Shiba inu price update with surprise changes occur in the Shiba inu. Let me show you guys. But before starting this video, please guys, make sure to subscribe our channel for more news and update videos, guys. Now if we talk about the right now price of Shiba inu, so right now price is about 0.00007 USD dollar. That is right now price of Shiba inu. And guys, furthermore, if we talk about the changes, so I think that now this update video is a good news video for all Shiba holders, guys, because now I found Shiba inu positive, guys. Last 1 hour update is positive. Last 1 day changes is only negative. I mean, yesterday the price of Shiba inu again falls, again dump for a short time, guys. But don't worry, now you can see last 1 week update is also positive. Let me show you price chart. Now you can see here again they start pumping, guys. You can see on the latest time. I'm just talking about last 2 hour update. Otherwise the previous time changes update is going in the lows, but I'm talking just about latest situation. The latest update is going in the lows, guys. Anyways, now if we talk about the changes, so negative 1.53% the price jump in last 1 day. And now you can see the price of Shiba inu is still very low, guys. And you know what, guys, I also predicted Shiba inu that there is a higher possibility that in the October the price of Shiba inu price will highly pump and you get a profit, guys. So that's why, guys, now I recommend for you to please hold for long time, guys. Possibilities that you get profit, guys. Anyways, what is your prediction? What is your update? Please also share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe channel.